He plays the guitar after school. He plays the guitar after school.
She paints beautiful flowers. She paints beautiful flowers.
I bake cookies every Sunday. I bake cookies every Sunday.
Your sister admires beautiful gardens. Your sister admires beautiful gardens.
We walk to the park every morning. We walk to the park every morning.
My cat jumps on the sofa. My cat jumps on the sofa.
He helps his grandma with the dishes. He helps his grandma with the dishes.
She waters the plants every day. She waters the plants every day.
I clean my room on Saturdays. I clean my room on Saturdays.
We watch cartoons together. We watch cartoons together.
She talks to her best friend every day. She talks to her best friend every day.
He opens the window when it's sunny. He opens the window when it's sunny.
They laugh a lot during lunch. They laugh a lot during lunch.
My dad fixes small things at home. My dad fixes small things at home.
She listens to music in the evening. She listens to music in the evening.
We cook simple meals together. We cook simple meals together.
He types on his laptop every evening. He types on his laptop every evening.
Her mother designs funny cards for her friends. Her mother designs funny cards for her friends.
She brushes her hair in the morning. She brushes her hair in the morning.
They visit their cousins on weekends. They visit their cousins on weekends.
The kids pretend to be superheroes. The kids pretend to be superheroes.
I wash my hands before dinner. I wash my hands before dinner.
She likes happy songs. She likes happy songs.
He carries his backpack to school. He carries his backpack to school.
We look at the stars at night. We look at the stars at night.
I dream about summer. I dream about summer.
His cats love sunny days. His cats love sunny days.
He smiles all the time. He smiles all the time.
They enjoy quiet mornings. They enjoy quiet mornings.
I count the birds in the tree. I count the birds in the tree.
She hugs her teddy bear at night. She hugs her teddy bear at night.
We study English every day. We study English every day.
They clap at the end of the show. They clap at the end of the show.
My sister answers the phone. My sister answers the phone.
He kisses his puppy on its nose. He kisses his puppy on its nose.
I tidy my desk before work. I tidy my desk before work.
They skate at the park. They skate at the park.
She looks after the baby birds. She looks after the baby birds.
He talks about his hobbies. He talks about his hobbies.
She packs her lunch in a yellow box. She packs her lunch in a yellow box.
Their friends gather leaves in the park. Their friends gather leaves in the park.
The zookeepers care for the animals every day. The zookeepers care for the animals every day.
He dances like nobody's watching. He dances like nobody's watching.
Her brother mails postcards to his friends. Her brother mails postcards to his friends.
I color in my favorite book. I color in my favorite book.
We check the weather every morning. We check the weather every morning.
He jokes with his brother. He jokes with his brother.
She names her plushies. She names her plushies.
We always share our snacks at school. We always share our snacks at school.
He never bothers his neighbors. He never bothers his neighbors.